My name is Kayleigh Moyer. I'm based in Nashville, and I'm a PreSonus artist. I've learned that to be competitive in today's music industry, you can't just be a musician. You need the knowledge and technology to record and mix yourself. PreSonus allows me to track the best quality drums and has given me the ability to mix creatively. I have been using PreSonus since high school, and this was the first interface I ever owned. Fast forward to today, and I'm using a StudioLive 32SC digital mixer, along with EarMix 16s for headphone mixes. In order to run and power my EarMix, I use the SW5E. PreSonus allows me to have total control over the sounds of my own projects and drum tracks.